Now we're finally getting into the nitty-gritty of the generator itself. Back when I dismantled all this, I kind of went through it and fixed all the wiring. There was a bunch of issues, a bunch of wires broken. This is the tail light and clearance light wiring from the hitch back, and I cleaned up the connections and I dielectric greased them. I went through the whole thing, and every single connection, every electrical connection, I went and I cleaned up, dielectric, and so I went and replaced the fuel filter, this fuel filter here, that fuel filter there. I got the fuel pump all cleaned up, buffed off the metal underneath them, and then I buffed all the screws off, and then I tightened everything down really nice, and then coated it with grease so that it's not going to rust. And that's kind of going to be the process now, to go through the whole thing. Pretty soon we'll be able to get the panels on and start building it back. But first, I'm going to get the battery all attached down and the control box, and then we're going to do a test run of the unit and get it warmed up. And then I'm going to drop the oil. Now it's just a case of getting it all put back together. We're going to start this thing. I'm really excited for this part. So turn it to power. You hear the glow plugs and the fuel pump going. You can see the fuel filter's got fuel in it. Woohoo! Kind of looking around here, just wanted to see how this is all wired. I was checking out the stats on this generator, so this is really cool. It's actually 250 volt in here. Now this is wired so that this is a 30 amp twist 250 volt plug, and then these are our separate like 15 amp breakers. The cool thing is this generator will power 25 amps at 250 volts or 50 amps at 120, which means that we could actually wire this so it could power a full-size motorhome or a full-size travel trailer, or set it up as a farm power supply. Well, not or, it's going to be both. Set it up as a farm power supply. We're going to put a welder plug on here, so you could run a stick welder off this thing. So you could actually just plunk the welder on the back or the front. You could literally put a MIG welder on here and then tow this out to whatever project you're working on and have a mobile welding rig. So yeah, this thing's got a lot of capabilities, so we're just kind of looking at that, and I'm probably going to end up wiring in a welder plug on the one side and an RV plug on the other. We're making a separate box here, maybe leaving this all alone and running another cable out and making a bus, and then run the plugs off that.